So you want to know how Jamaicans whip up a quick and easy breakfast? Right here, so we have some flour. And now, me add a spoon of cornmeal. Yes, sir. You can't leave out the little salt. Comment below what you think me I make. Robini. Then I get some water in our cup and now I go put a spoon of sugar in there and mix it. Sugar them in now, put too much in there. And you're going to mix it like beverage. Then you are going to just throw it out in there. What do you think me I make? Comment below and then you are going to mix it. Yeah. Mix it. Make sure you mix it out properly, you know. Anybody have any idea what I'm making? Comment below and tell me what you think me I'm going to make quick and easy Jamaican breakfast. This is a regular up to picnic can make this. Comment below, let me know. Then me put on the frying pan on the fire. Then me with me enough self. Just remember say me have some okra in the fridge. So I got to take out a few of them. Yeah man. See it here? That one here looks spoiled. That one here no good. Me I go just whip up them here breakfast me I make you know. And pot hot and me I throw a little oil in a pot. Yes sir. You know, as Jamaicans, we love to talk about ride and whistle. So while the oil is hot, I wash off them okra, you know. I wash them off, man. And I'm going to put them in the pot and just call them off. Turn okra on stove. Oil hot, so. Yes, guys, you guess right. Get the cock out the door, okra. No fritters me a fry. Watch how the fritters them a fry. While the fritters them a fry, me take out my sweet pepper, my scallion, my thyme, my garlic. Boy, me not have no onion, you know. I want one liquor tomato. Me see how much me can get out of it. Yes, sir. Yes, now wanna see. My grace mackerel. Come back and check fritters. Yeah. Them fatting man, me like when them so fat, you know. Sure. Alright, them not ready for turn yet. Alright.
And then free.